Today, I'm going to show you a new construction model home in the biggest and best 55 plus community in South Florida with the most active lifestyle, multiple different amenity campuses, parks, a town center, and greenways connecting it all together. So if you're looking to buy a home here, whether full-time or just for season, and you want to learn more about what this one-of-a-kind community has to offer, my name is Rafael Gonzalez. I am an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and new home communities in South Florida, and I can personally assist and work with you throughout the process to find the right place to call home. The model we're walking up to now is called the Costa, and the biggest draw for this home for a lot of other clients has been it is the only floor plan in the community that is built with a true side load garage, giving you a larger driveway with more space if you have a big truck or if your household just has more vehicles. You can also add a golf cart garage, which adds a second smaller bay, which can be incredibly useful since Riverland is a golf cart community where you can access all of the amenities and the town center that we'll talk about later on from these private paths exclusive for residents. The Costa is going to come in at 2,155 square feet under air as a 2 or 3 bedroom home with 3 full bathrooms, and is one of the starting sizes for homes that are built on large enough lots to build your very own private pool in the backyard. The foyer on this home goes up 12-13 feet and 9 foot 2 inches throughout the rest of the home. And at the center of this model, you'll find an L-shaped kitchen with an island that overlooks the lanai. They also offer a lengthy list of included features that are upgrades at other builders, like the hurricane impact windows and doors, concrete tile roofing, 24 by 24 porcelain tile, white and wood colored cabinets, granite or quartz countertops, and a screened-in covered lanai. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour and want more information about this home and community, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I work with a lot of home buyers and sellers in the area, and I would be able to personally help and represent you throughout the process. Every builder and community is unique, and I have the knowledge and the experience with each and every one along the Treasure Coast, so I can help you make the best decision possible and keep you updated and informed every step of the way. Where we are today in Riverland is a private luxury gated community here in Port St Lucie near the Tradition area with a one-of-a-kind resort lifestyle offered in their signature Valencia communities. An ideal location where you're just minutes to shopping, dining, weekly held activities and events, a major hospital, and you're about 30 to 35 minutes to miles of uncrowded beaches. Port St Lucie is also centrally located on the East Coast, right in the middle of Miami and Orlando, and a 45-minute drive to West Palm Beach, making this an ideal spot to live with less traffic and congestion. And it's also rated as the second safest city to live in the state of Florida. With over 4,000 acres of land, there are multiple different communities building out within the property that each have their own manned guard gate and social club and are interconnected to all of the amenity campuses, parks, and the new town center with their unique greenways called the Paseo, which has over 5 miles of trails throughout Riverlands built exclusively for pedestrians, bicycles, and golf carts and are beautifully landscaped. The largest and most popular of the shared amenity centers is the Wellness and Fitness Center, with a 51,000 square foot facility open 24/7 with state-of-the-art cardio and strength equipment, as well as personal training and dedicated group fitness with both indoor and outdoor heated lap pools, an indoor sports court, a resistance pool, and a jacuzzi. They have a full schedule holding over 100 classes a month and are expanding with a 12,000 square foot facility with 5 dedicated group fitness classes like yoga, Pilates, and Zumba. And soon, the new River Fresh Cafe will open so you can enjoy healthy food options after a great workout. They've also recently announced the addition of a full-service spa with a nail salon, massage rooms, hydrotherapy, and a lounge. Another incredibly attractive amenity is the Sports and Racket Club, with a grand total of 53 pickleball courts, 15 tennis courts, 20 bocce courts, and your very own pro shop on site with everything you'll need to get started. The Arts and Culture Center is another facility here in Riverland that's one of a kind, as it's all about the creativity and the arts. There are several classes held every week for things such as pottery, painting, stained glass art, and more, and probably my favorite is the Demonstration Kitchen, where they bring in local and retired chefs to host and teach interactive classes for gourmet, regional, and multicultural dishes. They host farmers markets, concerts, and festivals here, and there's even a community garden that residents can plug into. Each of the Valencia communities within Riverland have their own social club accessible only by homeowners within that community. This way, even though the development is huge, you have your very own dedicated space with a full-service restaurant and poolside bar, a resort pool and cabanas, a sports lounge, rooms for club meetings, gatherings, and events, and there's a grand ballroom where they host big events like tribute bands, shows, and live music. With over 20 different floor plans to choose from, starting at around 1,200 square feet and going up to nearly 3,500, you're sure to find a home that is a great fit for you. And I can help you narrow down which homes will work best. With pricing starting in the 300s up to the $1 million range, there are options for every budget. Their homes can be built from scratch on an available home site and takes about a year to build, and there are plenty of quicker move-in homes as well that are already built across all of the Valencias that are available. All with hurricane impact windows and doors, concrete tile roofs, and your lawn care, irrigation, and all of the amenities are included. So before making plans to visit any model center in a new community, make sure you call me first to make sure you're able to receive representation. Once you've signed in without a realtor, you lose that opportunity, and there's no cost to you since the builder compensates your realtor on your behalf. I've helped buyers from all over the country that watch my videos online, and they found it incredibly valuable having me on your side, touring the models together, helping you understand what's included versus what's an upgrade in the home, and answering any questions you have about the community and providing you with a guided tour. Also, if you're serious about considering the Valencias at Riverland and are interested in taking advantage of their stay and play option, you can stay in a furnished home here for 3 days and 2 nights for just $99 and have full access to all of the amenities to see if this community is a good fit for you. Just reach out to me directly and I can assist you to make a reservation so you can tour the models and community and meet other residents for a unique and authentic resident experience. So make sure you stay until the end, and if you want to see more of what Valencia and Riverland have to offer, remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos of this and other homes and communities. So if you're interested in this home or something similar to this anywhere here in South Florida, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.